WinterSession taps into one fundamentally important idea that belongs at WPI, and that is that students own their education here. They take ownership for their learning. This is where they come and can start and can contribute and create classes, things that they want to learn. Learning doesn't happen just in classrooms or projects. You can pick up a new idea, you can work on something that's really interesting to you. We've had several classes at the Worcester Craft Center: glass blowing, ceramics, working with pewter. There was a painting class. We had a photography class. We have craft classes like knitting. Faculty did a workshop on how to start a business on a shoestring. WPI has an active improv group, and they got together and offered a class on how do you do improv. This is a community event, and that means students, faculty, and staff. If you've got a class you want to teach, let us know. If you've got a class you want to participate in, if you want to learn something new, this is a place to do it. The best ideas, the best workshops come from the community because the learning that happens here is theirs.